Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and I also try to post weekly vlogs, and I'm also a makeup artist. So if you're interested in any of that content, be sure to subscribe. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I crimped my hair. Now, I didn't want to make this a voiceover, but I had to, and I wasn't going to be crimping my hair again because then this video will be waiting a whole nother month. So yeah, this is how I'm going to be doing the video. I hope you guys don't mind the voiceover. I'm sorry, but let's just go ahead and get into how I crimp my hair. Yeah, you guys know I've been wanting to do this style for a minute, so let's go ahead and get into it. And thank you so much, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring today's video. All right, so I'm going to start off by clipping in my clip-ins, and I'm wearing the Hergivenhair Glam Full Head Set Kinky Blown Out clip-ins in the inches 20, and I also got these clip-ins dyed black. I didn't dye them myself, so you have the option to get them dyed black, or they will just come in the natural color, which is more on the brown side, which tends to be a little too light for my hair because, as you guys can see, my hair is pretty dark. They also have different colors up there. They have a brown one that looks like a honey blonde, and they also have a burgundy color up here as well. So you do have some options when it comes to getting your hair dyed. These clip-ins come with 10 pieces, 32 clips in total. So it comes with 2 wefts of 5 clip-ins, 2 wefts of 4 clip-ins, 2 wefts of 3 clip-ins, and 4 wefts of 2 clip-ins. And I did go in and customize my clip-ins. I will link the video in the cards above of where I went in and customized and cut the clip-ins up. I always go in and customize my clip-ins myself to fit the width of my head because my head isn't that wide and my hair is also thin. So I want to make sure my clip-ins blend in with my hair and nothing really peeks through. So I really have to be mindful of how I'm placing the clip-ins in my hair. So I customized it to 2 1 clip-in wefts, 2 clip-in wefts, 2 3 clip-in wefts, 1 4 clip-in weft, and 1 5 clip-in weft. So I think the last time you guys seen my hair, I was doing I was washing my clip-ins. In that video, you guys saw the length of my hair. If you guys are trying to figure out if my hair is a little shorter, it definitely is because I did go in and cut my hair. And I think I messed it up a little bit, but you know what? It's okay. I don't really wear my natural hair out too often. And if I do wear my natural hair out, it's probably in like a ponytail or in its curly state. So excuse the way my ends look. Yeah. But it's okay. It'll grow back. It's fine. So I'm going to start off by clipping in the 5 clip-in weft with my janky parting. I don't really use a comb to part my hair. So if you guys are looking for a clean cut, crisp install video, this is not the video for you. I do have an install video, but even in that video, I still don't really use a comb. You get me? But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and clip in the 5 clip-in weft in the middle of my head. I like to start off with the 5 clip-in weft just to see where I need more thickness or how wide I need my spacing to be in between my parts. You guys will get what I'm saying as I do my hair. Well, if you guys do your hair or you clip in your hair, you guys get what I'm saying. So I'm just going to lift my hair up and clip in the 5 clip-in weft, and then I'm going to pull all of the hair to the front just to see, you know, where I need some more thickness, where I need to place it. And of course, I definitely need to add more clip-ins at the bottom half of my head. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to part the 2 sides off by my ear. Like, you guys will see what I'm saying. Like this part right here, I'm just going to part that out of the way and clip it up so that I can just focus on the back of my head, and I don't want that hair to get caught up in anything. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of my hair, just taking that side and clipping it out of the way. And I'm going to go under that 5 clip-in weft and part that out of the way so that I can add a clip-in under it. So I'm kind of working backwards in a way. And if you are a beginner coming across this video and I'm confusing you, I really do apologize. I do have another video on my channel that's a very detailed clip-in tutorial that's kind of beginner friendly. I think it's pretty beginner friendly. So if you guys need a actual tutorial on how to clip in your hair, I would recommend that one, because what I'm doing right now is specifically for this style. I do clip in my hair the same every single time, but it's also different every single time, if that makes sense. But I'm just gonna go ahead and clip in this 4 clip-in weft, As you guys can see, super repetitive. I'm gonna lift my hair up and clip it onto my hair. Well, I'm struggling a little bit, but I'm gonna lift my hair up and clip the clip-ins onto my hair. I really like clipping in my hair this way because I can throw it up in a ponytail. So yeah, that's what I usually like to do. Now I'm just gonna pull everything down and see what the thickness is looking like, and of course brush my hair out as well. And as you guys can see, my hair is still kind of peeking through, so I'm gonna add another clip-in to the back of my hair. And I kind of messed up because I added a 2 clip-in weft to the back of my hair when I was supposed to add a 3 clip-in weft, but I figured that out once I got to the top of my hair and I went in and changed it out. You guys will see all of that. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull the side parts of my hair down and then part my hair basically in a U and then clip in the 3 clip-in weft in a U shape. Alright, now that we have the 3 clip-in weft at the crown of my head, I'm just going to take down the middle part of my head and see how my hair is looking, and then start with the side pieces. But this is when I noticed that I put the wrong clip-in in the back of my head. So usually when I do this side parting, I place a 2 clip-in weft right here. So when I got to the front of my head, I was looking for the other 2 clip-in weft and I couldn't find it, and I was like, oh, I put it in the back of my head. So let me just fix that and then we'll come back to let me just fix that and we'll come back to the top of my head. I look so confused. Okay, now that I fixed everything, I'm going to go ahead and place the 2 clip-in wefts on the sides of my head by, I think they're kind of lining up with my temple, but that's where I'm placing them. And then once I place those two clip-in wefts down, I'm going to go to my middle part and place my 1 clip-in wefts on each side of my middle part. Okay, now that my hair is clipped in, I'm going to move on to crimping my hair. Now, I didn't spray anything on my hair. The only thing I sprayed on it previously was like dry shampoo so that my hair wouldn't be oily. And I think it was about 2 weeks since I straightened out my hair. So I really didn't want to put anything extra in my hair because for one, it was already at the point of getting oily. And I just wanted to try the style out without having to commit to the style, if that makes sense. So I didn't want to spray any like spritz or got to be glued or anything like that on my hair because I didn't want to be stuck with this style just in case I didn't like it. And it was okay. It didn't really give me the look I was going for. It was giving me body wave and I was trying to go for Nikki, but I think it didn't come out how I wanted it to come out because I didn't use spritz. So I recommend if you are doing the style, use some spritz or something like that on your hair. But girl, do whatever you want to do. Like I said, this was like my first time, or did I already say that? This was my first time doing crimps on my hair ever. So I was just trying something new. It was cute for the time being, but I was over it very quickly. So the crimping iron that I'm using to do my crimps is the Ion Triple Barrel WAVER, if I'm not mistaken, and I got it from my local Sally's Beauty, and I'm using it on 360 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. I wasn't trying to OD with the heat, as well, because y'all know I've been straightening my hair every month since like January, if I'm not mistaken. So the amount of heat that I used on this hair was probably another reason why the crimps didn't last as long, because like I said, I only used like 360 degrees, and I didn't put any spritz or any holding spray on my hair. I was basically doing like a soft crimp. So while I'm crimping the hair, I think I hold it in place for about 10 seconds. Yeah, I was literally counting to 10 in my head, and then I just start the next crimp on the last crimp, if that makes sense. And another thing, to prep for this video, I made sure my hair was straight, because I felt like the crimps weren't going to come out looking like crimps if my hair wasn't as straight as I could get it. So I did start on straight hair, and as I'm going down the length of my hair, you guys will see me push the crimps back up so that they set into place before I actually pin them once I'm done. Okay, moving on to the last crimp, and this part I'm going to take my time with because it's at the front of my face and everybody is going to see this, so I want to make sure it looks pretty decent. And then once I'm done with this last crimp, as you guys can see on the other side of my hair, I have some duck clips or clips, whatever you want to call these. I'm just placing those in my hair to hold the crimp while I do my makeup, and then once I'm done with my makeup, I'll come back and do my edges. But I did get a question on if I do have heat damage, and yes, I definitely have heat damage. I've been straightening my hair every single month since January, but my curls are still kind of intact. If you guys want to see what my hair looks like now, you guys can go watch weekly vlog number 4, and I briefly have my hair out in that video. So yeah, so I'm just going to keep duck clipping in between the crimps so that they hold into place, and then I'm going to go do my makeup / film another video and come back and do my baby hairs and show you guys what it's looking like. Alright, I'm back, and it's been about an hour and a half or maybe even 2 hours because I was filming this makeup look, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my edges with the Touch Down Edge Tamer. And I found this at my local beauty supply store, and I also think you can get it on Amazon, so I'll try to link it in my Amazon store. And I also got this brush from Sally's beauty supply store, so I'm just laying my edges, and this is how the hair came out, y'all. Again, thank you so much, Hergivenhair, for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in the hair that I have in my head, I will link everything down below for you guys. Again, I have in 20 inches of blown straight or blown out kinky clip-ins, and all the information that you guys need will be down below. But yeah, I liked how this look came out. It's definitely growing on me now that I'm looking at this video with you guys, well, as I'm editing this video. But yeah, I like how it came out now, but when I was doing it this day, I really wasn't in the mood in this video. Now that I'm like looking at this video, I'm just like, oh wow, it was pretty. It was definitely giving vacation vibes. It wasn't really giving Nikki, but it still was cute. I actually should have had this hairstyle in my Wild Thoughts recreation video. If you guys remember that video, this is how my hair should have been. But yeah, really pretty look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and yeah, I'll see y'all soon.